That there's the muddy water.
You do all running down through here too. Watch where you're stepping. Oh, that's a mud hole. You don't want to go up through there. Well, there's the mill. Go that way.
That's one way to keep your tank from washing away. You know, it's all done a lot of work, isn't it?
That's a whole lot of work, ain't it?
Look, Jack can build them walls like this. Like a wood stung leaf up there.
It was like that when we come up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they haven't cleaned up any of this. It's been, wow, look at this. It's all grew up and everything. Holy cow. Now we got all these steps to go up.
Yeah. Then if you do something like this up one side of the driveway from the bottom to the top, it could be nice too. I believe she can do it. I believe she can do it. Yeah, it's laying over right there and splashing out and making the mud. It's a good time.